Hi, my name's Naomi and welcome to our Fletcher Street project. Welcome to day one of our Fletcher Street project. As you can see, this is a really small and pokey space at the moment. We've got a laundry and also a bathroom that services the whole apartment. What we will be doing here is updating the space. So it is very small and we're not going to have the opportunity to change the floor plan too much, but we will be updating the finishes to make them a lot more contemporary and including some fun tiles such as terracotta terrazzo to make it feel a lot more modern. We're back at Fletcher Street. As you can see, we've done the tiling now, so that's pretty much being finished up today, as well as having the joinery installed. Here you can see we have the carcass for our vanity and also our shaving cabinet. These are to be framed in a beautiful timber, so they're not quite finished, but we're getting there. And just to my left here, we also have this full height window, which lets in a whole heap of natural light, making this small space feel quite a lot bigger. And one thing that I'm really excited about are these beautiful ledges. So we've got one ledge wall here for our shampoos and conditioners, and we've also got a ledge seat, which has been tiled in the same terrazzo. As you can see, this is a multifunctional space used as a bathroom and laundry. I had quite a lot of freedom with this design. The client brief was simple: to add light and warmth and open up the space. To create a sense of space, we've incorporated a full light window. We've done this so that the natural light can stream through and illuminate the white tiles on the walls. To make the space feel homely, we've opted for warm terracotta terrazzo tiles and brushed brass fittings. We have mounted these heated towel rails in a non-traditional way. The vertical orientation allows the towels to be draped over the entirety of the rail, heating the towel from top to bottom. Previously used as a closed-off toilet area, we have now incorporated a generous shower with a shower seat and a ledge. We have relocated the toilet to this side of the space, along with this beautiful compact American oak vanity. To create a division between the spaces, we've chosen to include a nib wall separating the laundry from the bathroom. We've increased the storage with a floor-to-ceiling linen cupboard as well as some overheads above the sink area. We have continued the brass theme through the sink and tapware, tying the two spaces together. Overall, we had loads of fun with this project and we feel we managed to pack a lot into this small space.